Hey guys, Max from Stevens Bros Outdoors. Happy Halloween. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update video on why we haven't really been getting content out lately. I know me personally, I've had a lot of things going on. I know the rest of the guys that make videos, they've been extremely busy as well. A lot of big life changes for all of us. But in that time that I haven't been putting out any videos, I've picked up a couple new hobbies that I thought y'all might be interested in. So I thought it'd be a good time to break the old camera back out and show you guys what we've been up to. Started getting into gardening recently. Just started experimenting with different things. This will be my first garden, so definitely have some videos on that, how to, start up your own garden if you're interested. Also, we got some new additions to the family. We recently got a leopard gecko, so I thought it'd be cool to make some care instruction videos, or tank setups, stuff like that. I've had one other leopard gecko. I had him for close to a decade growing up, so I've been taking care of him all my life. We also got a new dog, a bigger dog. She loves, going outside with us, going on walks, going fishing with us, stuff like that. So you'll be seeing some of her here soon. But honestly, I'd like to hear from y'all. If y'all could comment down below, see what kind of content you would like to see. If it's content that we've already put on the channel before but haven't really done anything else with since then and you'd like to see it again, let us know. If any of the things that I just mentioned sound interesting to you, let me know. I could use all the feedback. But the main reason I wanted to make this video is to let you guys know what me and my wife are doing this week. So today we started a 7-day challenge of us eating only fruits and vegetables for 7 days. So we're going to try to go 7 days without any fast food, any meat, any fish, dairy, anything like that. So only fruits and vegetables for us. And I thought it'd be cool to show you guys the highs and lows of that journey. So I'll be recording all this week while we're doing it and showing you guys how easy or not easy it's going to be. Honestly, I have no idea. I've never done anything like this before. But I've been eating like crap lately, and I felt like it was time to kind of cleanse my body out some. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on that. But that's really it, guys. It's a pretty short video. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that we're still here and we're still wanting to put out content. Apologize for taking so long, that type of thing. If you guys are watching this, make sure to check out the rest of our videos. Be sure to like and comment as much as you can. Like I said, give us any kind of feedback you want. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell up at the top so that way you guys know when we upload videos. Like I said, I'd like to start doing it more regularly now. This has been Max from Stevens Bros Outdoors. Happy Halloween, everybody, again. Y'all stay safe. God bless.